In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change WhatsApp storage to an SD card. If your phone is running low on space, changing WhatsApp default download location to SD card can help. This way, you can save internal storage for other apps and data. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down until you find an option called Developer Options. Tap on it. If developer options are not visible, they might need to be enabled first. Don't worry, there is a link pinned in the comments below for a detailed video explaining how to enable developer options, step by step. Now that you're in developer options, look for the search button at the top right corner and tap it. Type in, Force Allow Apps on External. You should see an option appear. Select it. Toggle this switch on to enable this feature. After enabling that feature, go back to the main settings page. Tap Apps. Then, tap on the search button again and type WhatsApp. Select it from the search results. Once inside WhatsApp's app information page, scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Here, you'll see an option labeled Change under Storage Used. Simply tap this button. Select SD card as your new storage location, and then hit Move. It's crucial not to remove the SD card during this transfer process. The WhatsApp app will become unavailable until everything has been successfully transferred. And there you have it. You've successfully changed WhatsApp storage to your SD card. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.